Anywho. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. On today's episode of What is she unboxing now? It's kind of heavy. What is she unboxing now? That poor thing got smushed in on the back. But anyway, today we're going to be opening my Allure beauty box for April. We're in April. I do enjoy April. So we're going to be opening up this cutie. It's kind of heavy. I'll leave more about Allure Beauty Box in the description down below. It is quickly becoming one of my favorite boxes. I do enjoy pretty much everything I get from Allure Beauty Box every month. And they're doing this weird thing where you can like pick one thing. Well, not a thing, but like customize a thing every month. Just one. So like for a lip balm, you could pick the shade. For a blush, you could pick the shade. Like, you still get the blush, but you just get to pick the shade, which I think is cute. Hello. Okay. You get a mix of full size and deluxe. I don't think they call it deluxe sample sizes. I think they just say deluxe sizes. But I use my Cloud Connect to open this. You get a couple things. I want to say you get like minimum 5 items. This month feels heavy. So we're going to see what's in here together. Oh, cutesy. I like that. Look at, there she is. Okay. I saw something and I got it in one of my beauty boxes not too long ago. So I wanted to make sure it was not the same thing because I had just opened it, used it, turned my face so pale. It was the Innisfree Color Correcting SPF. No, it was Peely White Ghost. Anyway, off topic, but like back on topic. Allure Beauty Box. You get this cute little like booklet every month and it tells you a little bit about the products you got, the price, and then you get a letter or a cute little note from the Deputy Beauty Director. Cute. So let's jump right in. The first item, it's from, I put it right here so I can see a lot better. I'm not going to like carry it around, but this is from YSL. It is the YSL Candy Glaze Lip Gloss Stick in either Beige Bliss, Scenic Brown, Showcasing Nude, or Nude Pleasure. This is a full size item. Full size, $42. You're just supposed to swipe it on and keep laying until you got the intensity you like. And you did get to pick a color. I picked Nude Pleasure. Because that's appropriate to say. Ugh. Ooh. Oh, it says 6 clicks equals 1 application. I already have a lippy on. I just put this on. Ooh. We did get a YSL lippy, I want to say a couple months ago, maybe like 2 or 3, because I'm almost done with it. Ooh. Oh, it's kind of hard to close. Okay, fine, like I'll try it on. Let me get a tissue to wipe off my lip. And it said how many? 6? Oh, that's hard to open. Okay. I feel like it doesn't really go up much, and then on that 6th click, it really just like, probably can't see or can't tell. Hi Pigment, how you doing? What's going on? Tell me a little bit about yourself. So you're supposed to be a glazed lip gloss. Candy glazed lip gloss. Oh, she's thick. Oh, yes, I put on more because I want to see the color. I'm not digging how thick it is, but that's okay. There's probably room for, I'm not putting it back in there because I used it, but, well, I'll put it back in here just because I know I looked at it. We're really thick. okay. $42 though. Is this something you're purchasing? I did enjoy the last one we got. I'm pretty sure it was with the Allure Beauty Box. It was from YSL and it was a lippy. Really good. I would not repurchase it. I could buy the Revie Beauty, which I feel like does more for my lips long term, like even after it's worn down. And that, I think those are like 20 some a piece for those lippies. So why do YSL when I could do a Revie Beauty for like half the price and get more benefits? Still nice though. This, I don't know. The thickness. On to the next item because I want to keep going. Is this? Oh, okay. So this is from Rodile. Rodile. Depending on how you want to pronounce it, I'm doing Rodile. It's the Rodile Vit C Papaya Enzyme Scrub. This is $50 freaking dollars. This little guy, who's filled to here, is $50. Filled to just right here. Why am I gonna love it? This yellow tube could also make coffee. If this yellow tube could also make coffee, it would be the perfect wake-up call. Bright, crisp scent, fresh way to start the day. It's a gel, vitamin C, looking more radiant in the long run. Damp skin. Okay. Show me the $50. Why? You're going to apply it to damp, cleansed skin for a few minutes before massaging in a circular motion. Rinse thoroughly. Use 2 to 3 times a week. That's it. Cool. So far, just based on the price and the size, no. But the tube's got me intrigued. I do love the way it looks. Yeah, we're still thick and it's still kind of creeping me out. But on to the next item. Ooh. It's a styling cream from Sachajuan. Yeah, feels weird. Sachajuan styling cream. Light and flexible. So you're a gel. $39. Yeah, $39. Oh, it's a leave-in. It says this leave-in turns meh hair days into great ones. It defines waves and curls, protects against damage from hot tools, and adds a ton of shine without feeling sticky. So you're going to rake a generous dollop through damp hair, then style or air dry. So what are you supposed to be? Here I am thinking you're a gel, and clearly you are so much more. Made in Sweden. Don't know what that's supposed to do for me, but nice. Coats the hair while forming and defining any desired hairstyle. Apply to damp hair and style. That's it. I do like the way this bottle is kind of made. All of this on the back is just a smidge bit raised, so it kind of gives you something to grip onto. And though the bottle is matte and sleek-ish, the cap is very, like, gritty. Does that make sense? Big word, gritty. Not gritty, but grit. It's got like a feel to it, so I can grip onto it if my hands are wet, like I got out of the shower, damp with my hair. Pretty cool. I'm intrigued and I'm gonna be trying that. $39. Oh, what if I fall in love with it? But you know, right now I'm on a skin and hair kind of thing, so like if my hair needs it and it's $39, but like my hair loves it, I might. Oh, I know it's a bit, but this next long hair. My hair is just coming down on its own, and I'm not gonna stop it because it's doing what it wants. This next item is from Beauty for Certain Playa to Palazzo eyeshadow palette. $39. I don't think I've gotten an eyeshadow palette. palettes are meant for getting creative, but we love to use the gold on the center of our lids, layered over a wash of one of the neutrals, and the darkest brown is great for lining. Let me show you what this $39 eyeshadow palette looks like. Okay, yeah, we're gonna use tweezers to get into this box because I'm a little worrisome. Beauty for Certain, Playa to Palazzo eyeshadow palette. And I don't do anything fancy. Stick the tweezers in, turn, and it just pops it right out. Don't have to worry about breaking my nails like I did earlier, or ripping the box, especially if I want to re-gift or what have you. Or plastique. Oh. So we got Beach Papaya, Golden Cocoa or Cacao, and Espresso. Ooh, we have a very long mirror and pretty cute colors. Okay. This is a nice, simple play around palette. I'm over here blinding you with the mirror. Really nice, simple palette for like on the go. Huh. That's cute. $39 though. We're gonna have to see how that works, because yeah, I'm gonna be trying that. Look for this palette in an upcoming video. And if you might not be able to find it, go check my eyeshadow playlist. Yes, I have a whole playlist. It's gonna end up there. Oh. Wait. Wait. Oh, okay. So I like this next brand. It's from SKIN&CO, or the brand is SKIN&CO. It's the Truffle Therapy Toner. You're not the full size, are you? No, right? No, no. So this is 75 ml. The full size is 200 ml for $27. This brand is pretty good. It's got, ooh, witch hazel toners have made a comeback in recent years. Redness reducing superstar, cucumber, antioxidant rosemary. Okay. Keep your skin calm and pores clear. You're going to smooth a splash or two over clean skin and follow with your usual serum and or moisturizer and a sunscreen. Teeny tiny. That's kind of cute. I like that though. This is good stuff. Yeah, I'm going to be using this. It's little, but that's good. Especially if like I'm in between and I need to purchase and I have to wait for the other one to get here, or I don't want to run to the store to get another one. And last but not least, this is an item from Innisfree. It's a cherry blossom glow jelly cream, or I could have gotten the Innisfree green tea seed hyaluronic cream. And I got the cherry blossom glow jelly cream. What are you supposed to do? Smooth a dime-sized dollop over skin each morning and or night. The full size is $28. Okay. What do you do? What do you do? That you're just a cream that glows, makes me glow. We glow together. Brighten and glow. So little. I feel like Innisfree is definitely making a huge, I don't want to say like comeback, because like maybe overseas, yeah, but like they're pushing their way more into the like American market and making a name for themselves here as a K-beauty brand. But from what I've heard and seen from people over in Korea, overseas, and in other countries, Innisfree isn't really that popular. Once the time they had a bit of a scandal, and now they're not so much anymore. But they're becoming real popular over here. I am iffy. I will be using this though. You bet your buns. It says on here for directions. Where'd you go? Directions. After cleansing and toning, take a generous amount and smooth on the face and neck. Gently pat in for better absorption. So nighttime? Yep, doing that. I love these too because these are like good travel size ones. I used to think the cute little ones I got in Ipsy were perfect for travel, and then I am older now and I realize my face needs a lot more than just 2 little drops of moisturizer on it. Like she wants to soak it up. Especially on vacation, my skin is thirsty. So something like this will keep me going for a couple days. This is like a nice little weekend cream. Not a week trip, but like a weekend cream. Goodness, I don't want to do a week trip. Well, does anybody else like dread going on long trips? Because then you're like, all the skincare and then all the makeup I have to take and then all of a sudden. No, just me. I'm worried about the long haul. Ooh, that's it. Ooh, they got new fragrance boxes. They have a GQ. Is that the new one? Is that the new Polo? Because the new Polo was actually really good. I might buy this. Because I okay, like not on purpose. We went to go look for shoes, not for myself at all. And then like this lady was like, here, try this men's Polo. And it was so good. But I was always like, Polo is for like the boys, not for men's. And then I smelled it and I was like, oh my God, this is for my mans. My mans was my mans. But I don't know. Ooh. I've been like fragrance searching anyway, so maybe. Not soul searching, but fragrance searching. That's everything for our box. But there's... Oh, cool. We got an advertisement for Stitch Fix. Never really appealed to me. And then... Oh. Cosmetic something something. Jeuveau. For your frown lines. So I'm assuming some kind of injection. Cool. Good for one of these days. I'll probably do that. Not right now. Right now we're working on the skin. Like how pretty it is. The texture, the pores. Eventually I'll work on the lines. But not right now. That's it. Look at the poor little bottom of the box. We were just freaking... Can you see it? No, that's okay. Destroyed. And can I put everything back in here nice-ish and kind of neat? No. How many things did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6. That's everything. And this is still thick. I really don't like this. I feel like it's getting into like my lip skin that's like at the top, and it's just kind of like gooping around on it. I don't like it. So I'm gonna be giving this little cutie away. Yeah. Anyhow, that's my whole Allure beauty box. April 2025. We are just scooting along here. How long have I had Allure beauty box? It's been a while. I think I've always recorded all my videos for Allure Beauty Box. Let me know in the comments how long you guys have had Allure Beauty Box, or if you did previously or want to. But like the amount of time that you have it, had it, what have you, I'm pretty sure it's been like 1, 2, maybe this is the 2nd year? I don't know. Still good. Still going strong. We're still loving it. It's good. Anywho, I'm gonna end this here because I'm rambling. If you like this video, you know, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Go check out the rest of my Allure Beauty Box videos. It's a playlist. This is in the playlist. Go watch it. I will catch you in my next video. Bye!